Hi, my fellow crafters. Welcome to Abuelas Crafts. My name is Lou, and with that being said, let's get on to crafting. Hi, guys. Thank you for joining in. So, we got a little project here. Really simple, not hard at all. I have the crates, 6 crates from Dollar Tree, some dowels from Walmart. My paints are also from Walmart. The apple barrel blue, yellow, and green. The Waverly chalk paint and the antique wax are also from Walmart. I have a square from Dollar Tree, my scissors. We're gonna start by painting all of these crates. Now 3 of them will be one color and the other 3 will be another color. I start off by painting the 3 white, which I thought would turn out to be more like a creamy white. But as I'm putting this on, and I don't change it until I actually get all of them painted, only because I wanted to see what it would look like once it dried. I thought maybe it would go a little creamy, but nope. They stayed like I'm going to say a green hue to it, with a green hue to it. Instead of going creamy white, it went with a green hue. So you'll see at the end I paint them all white. Now the other 3 will be in this teal blue. It's a light teal blue, almost like the ocean blue. So it gives me a beachy, shabby chic kind of bohemian look to it. To me, anyway. My house is more bohemian, although I love shabby chic. It is a more bohemian vibe to the house. Now we glued 3 together, 3 of the whites, 3 of the 3 blues. I'm measuring right here to see how long I want my dowels, where I want them to sit, and I measure it again on my mat, and there goes my water inside. I guess I didn't realize how long they were. I also measure out some popsicle sticks, because as you'll see here in a moment, I'll put 1 popsicle stick at one end of the on the row of white, and on the other end of the row of white, on both the blue and the whites. I then proceed to use my baby wipes to paint my dowels and my little popsicle sticks. Now I use the straight edge to go all the way back to the crate, and the rounded edge towards the outside, where the dowel will sit. Here in a moment you'll see what I mean. I use wood glue and hot glue to glue all this together, which is awesome, by the way. It works out so nice. It holds really, really well, and I mean, you'll see at the end what I mean. So here you see me gluing the 3 together. I'm going to set that aside and glue the other 3 together. My thoughts were to glue 2 of one and 1 of the other, but it actually worked out. It looks better this way. I really, really like it. I use the same method for the gluing of the popsicle sticks and the dowels. I did cut the dowel and I measured the dowel. I thought I did anyway. Not sure how that happened. It came up short. My son even asked me, Mom, how did you do that? I have no idea. To this day, I don't know how I did that. I was dumbfounded. When I was doing this, I told my son, how did that happen? Because I think, if I remember correctly, I was a bit flustered. I didn't understand what happened. I was so just flustered. That's the only word I can use. So we put the white on top, the blue on the bottom, so that the dowel sits towards the bottom of the jar that I'm going to put inside, which are seasoning jars. So these will hold my seasonings in my kitchen. It's so pretty. I love it. I love the way it came out. If you like this, please don't forget to click on that like button, subscribe, and comment. Tell me, do you like this or not? What would you like to see? You see here that I put the little tags that they sell at the Dollar Tree with those little clips in the back. I clipped the little clips or the little clothespin actually. I clipped them off and glued those little tags on there. It absolutely looks so cute. I love this. I absolutely love this. So again, thank you for joining me. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you liked it. Okay? Talk to you soon. Bye.